Hello, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the topic of 2D mensuration. We will be discussing all the two-dimensional diagrams, two-dimensional shapes in this lecture. So first of all, talking about square. A square is a shape in which all the four sides are having equal length. And when you are going to find out area of a square, so area of a square is length multiplied by width. So as I already told you that width is equal to length. So this is, if length is L, then width is also L. So it has become L square. Now talking about the parameter. So first of all, I'm going to ask you what is a parameter. So parameter is basically sum of lengths of all sides. Okay, sum of lengths of all sides. So parameter for the square is P is equal to L plus L plus L plus L. So it has become 4L. Okay. So now we are going to solve a question of a square. This is a shape and this square has got 15 centimeter length. Width is also 15 centimeter and this side is also 15 and this is also 15 centimeter. So finding out the area is equal to length multiplied by width. So length is 15 multiplied by width is also 15. So area is equal to 225 centimeters square. Now talking about the parameter of this shape, if we see the parameter, so parameter is equal to sum of all sides, lengths of all sides. So parameter is equal to 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, and this is equal to 50 centimeters. Okay. So now moving towards another shape, that is rectangle. So what is the difference between rectangle and a square? A rectangle is having two sides having equal length, whereas a square is having four sides of equal length. So now let's see what is in a rectangular, how we can find out area of a rectangle and how we can find out the parameter of a rectangle. So if you see this, area is equal to length multiplied by width. So length is L and width is W. So area of rectangle can be found through this formula, whereas the parameter. So parameter we have already discussed that it is the sum of all lengths. So length, for example, uh, this is L plus W plus W. So it is 2L plus 2W is the parameter for the rectangle. So if you see any, if for example, I'm going to give a question. This is a rectangle. So this is 6 and this is 2. If we are going to find out the area, so area is L into W, 6 into 2. This is going to be 12. Now finding out the parameter, parameter P is equal to L plus W plus W. So this is gonna be 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2. So this is equal to 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16. So the parameter is equal to 16 centimeters and area is 12 centimeters square. I hope it is clear now. Moving ahead, there is another shape that is rhombus. Okay, so this is also a parallelogram and the rhombus is having this shape in which two sides are tilted or inclined. Now, what will be the area of the rhombus? So how we are going to find out the area? Area is equal to base multiplied by height. So what is base? B is the length of this side and h is the perpendicular height. H is the perpendicular height. For example, this, why can't we take this height? Because this is not perpendicular, it is inclined. So in the area formula, we take base and we take perpendicular height. And the parameter, in the parameter, you would be having base plus this h dash plus this b and then this h dash. So this is the formula for the parameter of a rhombus. Now moving ahead, another shape that is trapezium. Okay, so trapezium is basically having two sides parallel. In rhombus, there were four sides, they were parallel. Like here you would see there are two sides, they are parallel. And these two sides are not parallel to each other. So that's why this shape is having the name trapezium. So formula for the trapezium is area is equal to, like area for the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 P1 plus P2. Sum of parallel sides multiply by h. H is the height, that is perpendicular height having 90-degree angle. This is the formula for the area. Whereas moving towards the perimeter you would be having all the sides lengths. Sum P1 plus H plus P2 plus H dash will be giving you the perimeter. So this is the formula for the perimeter. I hope it is clear now. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you so much.